Kia! Kua rite koutou! Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's Toi Time! Hōrake tātou!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're out in Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toi Time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're rolling by it. We got Tama, Jojo, Wolfy, Oma and Mōhio, and we got Anika, Māia, we on my cuss. Aotearoa, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because they bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. Māia. Tama. Jojo. Anika. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're out in Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time.
Tēnā koutou. Welcome to our whare. Ko Māia taku ingoa, and today we're outside. Oh, and look, I brought my backpack.
Ko Jojo aho, I brought my suitcase. It has wheels like a car, see?
And I'm Tama. I brought my bag.
And I'm Wolfy, and I bring my sleeping bag.
I'm Oma, and I brought my cuddly sleeping bag too.
Can you guess where we're going today? That's right. We're going on holiday.
Yay!
Oh, hey, Mōhio.
Tēnā koutou.
Tēnā koe, Mōhio. He aha te holiday. What's a holiday?
A holiday is a time of leisure and recreation, usually spent away from home.
Oh, so you could have a holiday just about anywhere.
At the beach or the lake.
Or at Auntie's.
Or in the bush.
Or at Nana's farm.
Yes. Well, whānau, it's time to go on holiday, and I know just how to get there.
Yay!
Are you ready to go on holiday, everyone? I'm so excited. I've packed my bag, and now I'm just waiting for my friends.
Kia tere, Tama! Whoa, sweet ride, Māia.
Thanks, Jojo. I made it myself. Put your bags in the back and let's get going because we're going on holiday!
Māia,
Yes, Tama?
it seems like we have a problem.
He aha.
There's not much space in the back of your car.
Oh, you're right. We're all going on holiday together, so we're gonna need something bigger. I know. Let's make a caravan.
Great idea!
Oh, let me help you.
Oh, thanks, Tama.
Oh,
Okay, this is the perfect shape for our caravan. Now, first it needs windows, ngā matapihi.
ooh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and a break in the middle. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now next it needs, a door, a kuaha, so we can get inside. Okay. 4 sides again, but this time... a kuaha, a door. Okay, Jojo, we're still missing one more thing. What do you think it is?
A splash of paper. Paint.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, Māia,
Yeah.
I think there's something missing.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, wheels?
Oh, of course, ngā wira. I think I've got a spare wheel in my car. Okay. Here it is. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Oti mātou. Is everybody ready? Okay. All aboard ngā waka. I love going on holiday. It's so relaxing.
Hey, Māia,
Yeah, Tama.
are we there yet?
Carl, not yet. Holiday, holiday, I can't wait to go away. Holiday, holiday, wonder what we'll do. Make new friends, make new friends. Maybe we will make new friends. Make new friends, make new friends. What else could we do? Stay intense, stay intense. Maybe we will stay intense. Stay intense, stay intense. What else could we do? Swim in the sea, swim in the sea. Maybe we'll swim in the sea. Swim in the sea, swim in the sea. What else could we do? Climb a tree, climb a tree. Maybe we will climb a tree. Climb a tree, climb a tree. What else could we do? Family, family, spending time with family. Family, family, what else could we do? Barbecue, barbecue, we could have a barbecue. Barbecue, barbecue, what else could we do? Holiday, holiday, I can't wait to go away. Holiday, holiday, wonder what we'll do.
Kia ora, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, on another mission. Today, I'm after a beautiful spot to go camping. I found the perfect spot. Come on. Whoa, this is the perfect spot. Okay, time to set up my tent. Cool. Finally, this. Check it out, my stuff. Ooh, let's set up my campsite. I've got my mattress, sleeping bag, tent, table, binoculars, lantern, my head torch, and my TV. Nah, just jokes, I don't have my TV. Let's set everything up. All right, ground sheet first. There we go, perfect. Then we need the tent. Okay. This is gonna be so cool. carefully unfold the poles. All right, that sounds simple. Oh, here we go. There. Last one, and there, cool. All right, I've got my poles, time to thread them through. Sweet. Ka pai, time to raise up my tent. Yay. Hoorah! Now it's time to peg it off. Come on. Banging in my pegs, whānau. Ka pai, now I'm gonna put on the fly. Cool, now to make my tent cozy. Yay! Okay. Awesome. All right, got my mattress, got my sleeping bag, got my pillow, got my favourite books, be careful with them, and got my lantern and my head torch. Cool, let's make it cozy. Snug as a bug in a rug. You know what the best part about camping is? You can do it from your backyard. And that's the buzz, my cuz. Ka kite!
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's the five-finger dress-up family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's the five-finger dress-up family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, when can we eat one of those yummy ice blocks you made, Māia?
Well, they actually take a few hours for the juice to freeze, so we're going to have to be patient.
Oh, man.
No!
Oh, who's there?
Wah!
Wah! Wahoo!
Wahoo! I'm glad you're happy to see me because Buzz is back.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Yay.
Oh, goody. That must mean that it's...
Taco time!
What did you bring us today?
Kaore. Huh? There's no toy today, whānau. I thought that we could play a game using our imagination.
Oh, I love using my imagination.
To the playroom! Oh, when me and my whānau go on holiday, we love to play this game called charades. Yeah. Oh, well, it takes a lot of imagination and even some acting.
Ooh.
Well, without any words, I'm going to act out something you do on holiday, and you've got to guess it. And then if you get it right, you get to go next. All right, I'll start.
Okay.
Swimming.
Hopping.
Surfing.
Oh, Tama got it. It was surfing. Ka your turn, bro.
All right. Huh. Okay.
Ooh. Marshmallows on the fire.
Fishing.
Yes.
Jojo.
Okay.
Māia. Picnic?
Oh, tenting.
Oh, Māia.
Nice one.
I know it. Flying a kite.
Yes.
Yeah!
Hey, Wolfy, would you like to play red light, green light?
Oh, yes, please. I love red light, green light.
Only this time, let's play it in kupu Māori. Rama kakariki and rama whero.
Whero means red.
And kakariki means green. Me tīmata.
Ooh.
Rama kakariki. Rama whero. Oh, go back to the start, Wolfy. I got you.
Okay, Oma.
All right. Rama kakariki. Rama whero. Oh. Rama kakariki.
Got you, Oma.
Oh.
Yay!
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat gets cross, Mama's gonna buy you a rocking horse. And if that rocking horse turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna show you the big blue sky. And if that big blue sky turns grey, Mama's gonna plan you a movie day. And when that movie day is done, you'll tell your friends it was such fun. And next time they can all come round, we'll be the greatest house in town.
Night, Māia.
Night, Tama. Night, Jojo. Night. I do love staying in a tent, but sometimes I can't sleep.
Me neither.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā kōrua, how can I help this evening?
we can't sleep.
If you can't fall asleep, you can try counting sheep.
Why?
The act of counting is soothing, making you sleepy. Tahi, ua,
Toru, wha, rewa, ono.
Fitu, waru, iwa, tekau.
Tēnā koutou. Who's ready to play What's in the Box? Holiday edition.
Ooh, I am. I love what's in the box. Holiday edition. I bet it's sunscreen. Or towels. Tent? Pigs. Sleeping bag?
Let's find out. Put your hand in and see if you can guess what's in the box.
Okay. Ugh. It has long tentacles. Ugh. Is it a whike?
Kaore, it's not a whike.
It feels like a plant, but it's wet and slippery as though it's been underwater. I know. It's rimu rimu. Seaweed.
Koia kai a koe, Tama. You guessed right. It is. You can find rimu rimu on tātahi, on the sand or in the water. It's kai and home for millions of creatures that live under the sea.
Wow. You know what else you can use seaweed for? Pop the lid off, please. Hi.
Ah.
Hi, everyone. We were just about to read a story because it's story time, and we love reading stories. Always room. Morena Jade, Anuwhe Jade's teacher, says, giving Jade a huge hug as she arrives at daycare. Jade forgets to say goodbye to her mum and runs off to find her friends. Oh, where are they? Not in the dress-up room, not playing with the blocks, not playing with the tractors, not in the playground, not hiding in boxes, not with the books, nowhere. Where are her friends? Then Jade remembers the new sandpit. She spots Lulu, Louisa, Hedda, Jimmy and Poppy covered in sand, slipping and sliding with water in the sandpit. Jade throws off her shoe and... No room, says Jimmy. No room, says Hedda. No room, repeats Poppy. Oh, Anuwhe Jade's teacher appears. Do you want to play in the sandpit, Jade? No room, says Hedda again. There's always room, says Anuwhe. Oh, but Jade has already found a box to hide in. Jade wants her mum. Jade wants Ziggy. Jade wants Nico. Jade wants to go home. In the car, Jade is quiet. At home, she lets Nico have the iPad first. And at dinner, Jade doesn't say anything. Jade, are you okay? Says her mum. But Jade just goes to her bedroom. She pulls a teddy from the toy box. No room, she says to her teddy. Jade's mum comes in and wraps her arms around Jade. Oh, it's okay, Jade, she says, rocking her back and forth. It's going to be okay. Just try again tomorrow. The next day, Jade goes back to the sandpit and says to her friends, there's always room for one more. And they play together in the sand.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite